This video is a brief description of adaptive targeting schemes. Now, an adaptive targeting scheme, it allows the ventilator to automatically set some or all of the targets between breaths to achieve other preset targets. The most common example of modes with targeting schemes that use adaptive targeting scheme is one is PRVC, which you see a screenshot here. Another is Draeger's AutoFlow. And Hamilton's APV. With adaptive pressure control, the operator sets a set point for tidal volume, as you can see highlighted. It's highlighted here in blue. However, between breaths, the ventilator is going to titrate the inspiratory pressure to achieve this tidal volume of 500. And we'll see that in the next slides. This is a screenshot of a Draeger ventilator, and I'm going to show AutoFlow and how the ventilator is changing the inspiratory pressure between breaths. So the screen's grayed out, and this is frozen to show the differences I'm going to make with the next slide. But we want to look at my measured values first. So I have a measured value of my tidal volume is 600, and that's my target. I had the operator set a value of 600, and to get this 600 tidal volume, the ventilator basically had to give a pressure control level of 27. And we know that because my peak inspiratory pressure is 32 and my PEEP is 5. So 5 plus 27 equals 32. And that's how I know I have a pressure control of 27. And if we look at my measured values down here for my resistance and my compliance, that my resistance is pretty normal. It's a low resistance, however my compliance is very low, and that's why it took so much driving pressure to achieve a tidal volume of 600. Now let's change the test lung and see what it looks like. So I changed this test lung, the settings on the test lung, and I made the compliance a lot better, almost doubled the compliance. And this is a frozen screenshot showing the progression of the ventilator between each breath. It's changing my pressure control level. And we're going to look at my pressure waveform here. And as you notice that with every breath, it's decreasing my pressure control level. So it's titrating my pressure control by each breath to achieve the target value of 600. As you notice, we got to my target and my peak pressure dropped, so my pressure control is approximately 17. 5 into 17 is 12 centimeters of water. So that's an example of an adaptive targeting scheme. For more information on adaptive targeting schemes, you can view my videos on adaptive pressure control at the following link. For more information on targeting schemes, please review my videos on targeting schemes at the following link.